Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all my 2020 fall wardrobe staples. So if you are familiar with my channel, my Instagram, or my style in general, you know that I keep things very simple, minimal, and basic. I have mentioned several times that I don't like to look like I'm trying too hard. I get a lot of questions from you guys here on YouTube and on my Instagram just asking how I look put together, and I have like on the most basic outfit, and a lot of my outfits don't cost a lot of money, but I tend to make them look like they may cost a little bit more sometimes, I don't know. But nothing that I'm going to be sharing with you all today is anything groundbreaking. A lot of you probably have all of this stuff in your closet right now, so shop your closet first before you go running out buying anything. But it's literally just the simplest things that can elevate a basic outfit. So for fall, I really like to focus on jackets, you know, your handbag and your shoes. I'm not a big shoe person. I don't spend a lot of money on shoes anymore. I do live in the Midwest, so the weather does fluctuate pretty often. One day it'll be, you know, cool, you know, you could just throw on a pair of slides. Other days you need to put on some boots. So I like to have a good variety of shoes in my fall and winter wardrobe, just so that I can, you know, switch it out depending on what the weather is going to be like. But literally all of this stuff that I'm going to be sharing is just simple little basic things. Now that I am working from home and I'm not in the office anymore, I really don't have to focus too much on my wardrobe. I'm usually in things like what I'm wearing today, just a pair of joggers. This is a bodysuit that I got from H&M. I'll link it for you guys. And that's it. I just keep it really simple. Everything that I'll be sharing with you can be mixed and matched. So there's no one outfit. You can kind of wear all of this with whatever. But again, I do tend to focus a lot on jackets and sweaters, because while I do live somewhere that gets really cold, I am not a fan of big coats. Like, I don't like big coats. I drive here. I don't walk around anywhere. I don't take public transportation. So usually I'm just throwing on cardigans, big sweaters, and a jacket if I'm running out anywhere. So I don't really like big coats at all. So the first item that I picked up is something that I did not have in my wardrobe, and I knew that I wanted to get it, but I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on them, was just a pair of medium washed straight leg jeans. Now, I love a good pair of skinny jeans, but I wanted to try out just a pair of just regular straight leg pants. Didn't have any distressing on them, just very simple and basic to throw on with sweaters and jackets and things like that. So I will be inserting photos here for you guys so that you can see items that I'm kind of putting together. So these are just a pair of straight leg denims that I got from H&M, very affordable. Also sweaters. I love just a nice cozy turtleneck sweaters in the fall and winter. This one is super cute. It has this little button detail I'll show you here in the videos, and it's just super cute and nice. You can do the little front tuck if you want. Just paired it with these little mules by Lucky brand that I picked up. If I can find them, I'll link them for you. I love pointed toe flats. That's kind of like my go-to. I'm actually wearing these with this outfit that I'm wearing today, but they're just super cute. They're this neutral color, and you can pretty much wear them with anything: black, browns, tans, creams, whatever. So I highly recommend investing in just a nice pair of mules or slip-ons that you can wear in the cooler months. Also, I got another pair of pointed toe flats. These here have like a little sling back, which is super cute. These are from H&M, another good affordable pair of flats, and I just paired these with my faux leather blazer that I shared with you all in another haul a few weeks ago, a few vlogs ago, and just a pair of distressed black jeans that I already had, and I'm actually wearing the top that I have on right now underneath. And if you were going out to lunch with a friend, this will be the perfect outfit. I mentioned to you guys in my last vlog that I had did a pickup from Nordstrom, and so these are the shoes that I picked up. These are just a pair of like Chelsea style combat boots. I love this trend. I think it's so cool, and I'll show you guys how I took that same outfit and paired it with these boots for just like a cooler, you know, more street style look. But I love these so much. They're so comfortable. These will definitely get me through fall and winter. I love the bottom as well. I do also have another pair of combat boots that I had last year that you guys loved. So if I can find those, I'll link those for you as well. But they lace up. But this year I just wanted to get a pair of slip-ons, something easy and simple that you could just throw on but can elevate an outfit. If you're wanting to transition from day to night, you can leave that same outfit on and just throw on a pair of pumps. And as you can see, put together, cute, dressy, ready to go have drinks with your girlfriends or whatever. So yeah, I love staple pieces like this blazer because you can easily transition from day to night and not even have to really change clothes. Only thing you changing is your shoes, maybe your bag, but other than that, you're good to go. So I highly recommend investing in a nice blazer. It doesn't have to be a faux leather blazer. You could just go with a classic blazer. I just chose this one because it was something that I didn't have and I really, really liked it, and I think it looked really nice. So yeah, definitely invest in a blazer. So the next item is definitely a staple for me. I have this in black and I absolutely love it. I wear it to death. So when I saw it in this cognac color, I had to have it. A moto jacket will definitely elevate any look, whatever it is you're wearing. As you can see here, I'm just wearing this with a hoodie, some nice thick leggings, which is also key for the fall and winter months. I'll link my favorite pair below for you all. And those boots. Like, that's just a quick, easy, simple look, but you look so put together. In this jacket, the color is just so beautiful. This is a faux leather, but as you can see, I mean, the quality is amazing. I love the silver detailing. It's just everything. So definitely would recommend investing in a moto jacket of some sort. I would say maybe start with black if you don't have a black one, but if you already have black, definitely try a fun color. I know this cognac color is really nice. They also have like that, like a green, and it's like a burgundy color that's really pretty, like in suede. So I'll find a few of them for you guys and link them below. But yes, I love love this jacket. This is probably my favorite item of this entire haul because it's just so good. So love that. And then you also, you know, for me, because I am a handbag lover, having a nice handbag in the fall and winter is kind of essential for me, just because it sets off your outfit. In the fall and winter, because you're wearing jackets and people aren't really seeing what's underneath your jackets or your coats, your outfit really doesn't matter, to be honest. But I love just like a nice handbag, and this one was definitely not on my radar, but after doing a lot of research, I felt like it was necessary for me to invest in it because it is a classic in my opinion. So I'm now at that point in my life, if I'm going to invest my money in items, I want them to last a long time. So I felt like this would be a great item for me to add to my collection, and something that is a classic. It's not too trendy. A lot of us are familiar with it. So I'm just gonna stop talking, and really quick, I'm gonna insert a clip of me unboxing it here for you all. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I got the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the Damier of Bean. and she is gorgeous. Like, I just love it. I don't know, I should have gotten this bag a long time ago, to be honest, but because there were so many other bags that I was like into, I just always ignored this one. And it's so crazy because if you're from my old channel, when I was doing like handbag reviews and hauls and things like that, I used to own a red vernis Alma MM, and I loved it. And I got rid of that a long time ago, and I just never considered the Alma again. Well, this baby actually is replacing my Damier Ebene Speedy B35. So a while ago I mentioned that the Speedy B35 was just too large for me, and it just didn't suit me at all anymore. Just because my son is older now, I don't have to carry a whole lot of stuff. So when I sold that bag, I was kind of like, man, I really want a Damier Ebene bag, but I don't want to get another Speedy. I definitely didn't want to Never Full. So I was just researching and seeing like, what bag could I invest in that I could use both day and night. And so I got on the Louis Vuitton site, and this was the one that I decided to go with. I absolutely love it. I have not carried her yet at all. I literally just got her in the mail the other day, but I just have the strap in the bag because here's the thing. I really didn't buy this bag with the intent to wear it as a crossbody. I'm not really a fan of it crossbody, so I will show you guys in a video clip kind of how I'm wearing it over the shoulder with a chain that I purchased. And I really prefer wearing it that way. Not to say that I won't ever wear it as a crossbody, but that's not what I purchased it for. I have other bags that I could wear as crossbodies if I needed to, but I just love that you can carry it in the crook of your arm. It's super cute handheld, so you can definitely wear this, you know, at night, and it looks really nice. But if you add the strap, that kind of makes it a little bit more casual. So I did add my Louis Vuitton chain here, and I'm so glad that I didn't get rid of this because I almost got rid of it, but I was like, no, keep it. You never know, you might use it for something. So I just hooked this onto the front like that, and I just think it's super cute. Something said it looks like a smiley face. So that's just a way that you can kind of like dress it up and make it, you know, a little dressier. And then I got this chain to wear it over the shoulder. Now, if you guys know, I already have a longer chain that I use with my other bags as crossbody. So I didn't need another like crossbody chain, but I just thought this was so cute. How cute is that? So yeah, this is probably how I will wear this bag more than likely. Over the shoulder or just in the crook of my arm. I don't know if I'm gonna do a heat stamp on the little crochet here. I may. If I do, I'll probably just do one initial. But yeah, I love this bag. So far, it's so good. Again, I haven't used it at all. It's like she's brand spanking new out the box, but I've really just been admiring her. Let me know what you guys think of the Alma BB. I know it's like a really popular bag, but in my opinion, it's just such a classic. Like, I never see this going out of style, and every time I see it, I don't care if I see it on, you know, just a regular person or if I see it on a celebrity, I'm always like, wow, that bag is just, it's so underrated, you know. And I feel like I just never really paid it attention that much until I needed a Damier Ebene bag. So definitely love this. So the next item, which is another one of my favorite items to have in my wardrobe, I have like 3 of them already. Really didn't need another one, but I got it for a good price, is a good trench coat. Just a classic trench. Right now, the oversized trenches are like all the rave. You're seeing it all over everywhere. That is not the look for me. I think I'm too short. Yeah, the oversized trench look didn't work for me, but I love this one. I got it for a super good deal. It was like $17.99. I think I got an extra 20% off of that. And it's just a classic trench. Nothing, no fuss, but as you can see, I'm showing you here, throw it on with a jogging suit, throw it on with some sweatpants, throw it on with some loungewear, and you're good to go. Cute bag, cute little shoes, and you're good to go. And the last item that I feel like you should invest in if you don't already have them is just a nice pair of white sneakers. I just go with the classic Adidas Stan Smiths. They never do me wrong. I'm either in these or a pair of shell toes. Like I said, I don't spend a whole lot of money on shoes, especially someone who's not a big tennis shoe person. So yeah, I just keep it simple, but a nice, clean, white pair of sneakers just set off any outfit or any look, as you can see here with the trench coat and my little loungewear set that I got from Target, which I'll also link for you guys, is all I'm wearing. Like, so simple, but I'm put together. I can go run errands, go to, you know, parent-teacher conferences if I need to, whatever the case, and not look like, okay, where did she just roll out of bed? Also, a little tip, if you can wear a kid size, get a kid size. These are kids 6 for me, so I saved about $25 by going with the kid size. So I'll link them below for you all. But yeah, definitely can never go wrong with just a classic white pair of tennis shoes. You can never just go wrong. So yeah, guys, that was everything that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, just list them below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye.